Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dollar Tree discount shopping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Dollar Tree is a budget-friendly retail shopping app designed to make it easier for users to browse affordable products, find store deals, and plan their shopping trips. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows customers to explore categories like home essentials, snacks, cleaning supplies, seasonal items, and party decorations, all typically priced around $1. It also helps users locate nearby Dollar Tree stores and check product availability before visiting. The app's main feature is its weekly ad and in-store pickup system. Shoppers can browse current deals, create shopping lists, and place bulk or pickup orders directly through the app. It also provides access to Dollar Tree Plus items, which include higher quality products at slightly higher prices. The simple interface makes it convenient for customers looking for affordable household goods or last-minute party supplies. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its organized layout, quick search options, and store locator feature. The app helps save time by allowing customers to browse deals before shopping in person, and it's especially helpful for planning party supplies or bulk purchases for events. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report slow app performance, limited product descriptions, and occasional stock inconsistencies between the app and physical stores. The online order process can also take longer for certain pickup locations, and delivery options are limited. In summary, the Dollar Tree app may be worth using if you enjoy shopping for affordable essentials, seasonal items, and home goods at low prices. However, if you expect fast deliveries or real-time stock updates, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.